Welcome to Taktimize. We know the biggest challenge for any production manager is achieving maximum throughput with zero waste without overworking your staff. Today we'll show you how exactly the line balance optimizer solves this massive puzzle. We begin by importing production line data. Taktimize reads your structure in seconds, including task descriptions, task identifiers, cycle times, and predecessor logic. But what makes the Taktimize production line optimizer powerful is that it handles much more complex constraints, covering the different real-world problems you might face due to process capabilities and strict physical requirements in your production line. Exclusive shows tasks that should be performed separately in different stations, safely away from other tasks. With combined, you create groups to tell the optimizer to combine specific tasks in the same group to be performed together by the same operator. Conflicted is the opposite, where you tell the optimizer that tasks in these groups should never be combined in the same station and must be performed by different operators. Resource prevents bottlenecks by managing shared tools or machinery. And finally, these ergonomic columns capture how each task affects the worker's different body parts so that the optimizer can calculate a precise REBA risk score for every single task. Next is defining our goal. Do you want to reduce stations, minimize bottlenecks, or work with a fixed number of workers? By entering our daily demand and shift length, Taktimize begins shaping the line. And unlike basic calculators, you also input real-world variables like the number of shifts, break times, and PFD allowances for personal fatigue and delay. You can even dial in OEE parameters like performance, availability, and quality yield, allowing the system to instantly calculate your true real-world takt time. And because worker safety is the foundation of sustainable production, Taktimize integrates REBA-based safety limits directly into optimization. You can enable or disable ergonomic constraints with one switch. There is also a smart constraint relaxation option if no visible placement exists. You have the control on three practical limits: average station risk as a time-weighted REBA score, the maximum number of very high-risk tasks, and the maximum number of high-risk tasks to assign per station. And you have full control on them based on your safety policy. Those constraint columns from your data automatically map into these tabs. Before running the engine, you can toggle individual groups on or off to control exactly how strict each rule is for the current scenario. Now we are ready. With one click, Taktimize's optimization algorithms evaluate thousands of complex scenarios in seconds, finding the optimal layout that would take days to calculate by hand. Instantly, Taktimize generates multiple optimal solutions, and the dashboard highlights your exact line balance efficiency, overall idle time, and average ergonomic risk. You can even scroll through alternative solutions to find the perfect fit for your floor. Our dynamic Yamazumi chart breaks down the workload per station. And what makes this unique is the color coding. Each task block is colored by its REBA score, giving you a crystal clear visual of where hidden ergonomic risks are accumulating. The Quick Insights pane instantly calls out your system's bottleneck and flags high-risk tasks. Below, the production line layout provides a Kanban-style mapping of your entire factory flow. Stations are color-coded by capacity health, showing exactly who is overutilized and who has spare time. You can also view the exact task assignment in the Details tab. And for deeper engineering dives, the Advanced Analysis suite offers enterprise-grade tools. Pareto Analysis breaks down not just task time, but also ergonomic risk, station load, and idle time. Monte Carlo simulation lets you consider the uncertainty of different production parameters, predicting the outcome of various conditions before implementation without the need for trial and error. With scenario comparison, you can compare different setups against the best task assignment solution and check their visibility before rolling them out. Sensitivity analysis shows how shifting specific inputs affect your final outcomes. The risk matrix reveals the criticality of each parameter, so you can focus on what matters most. The impact analyzer demonstrates the exact impact of changing parameters on your results, comparing them directly to your baseline. Finally, the AI assistant lets you choose between different LLMs and ask them for specific insights. You can do general analysis, safety and ergonomics, bottleneck resolution, cost reduction ideas, continuous improvement, or even ask a specific question to get expert answers without paying for external consultations. To turn this into reality, export the full report with the exact task breakdown for every station and worker, ready to share with your floor supervisors. Stop guessing and start optimizing. Visit Taktimize.com and try the line balance optimizer today.